Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. Today we will be making something for your mothers, fathers, or anyone you love. First, you're gonna need 2 frames. You're gonna need some paint, a hot glue gun, paint brushes, and paper. You're going to start by taking out everything in the frame. Take out, gently, carefully take out the glass. I'm going to put the frames to the side and we are going to start painting. I have 2 papers in case I mess up one. I only want to use some, I only want to use some purple and a little bit of green and blue, but mostly purple. Get started. Just do that. And dab, 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 dab. Because we really want it to look like a flower. Now, a floating frame is when you put something in the glass in a frame. Now it's supposed to look like it doesn't have anything holding it up. So that's a floating frame. We're starting over because I made a mistake. I didn't want the flower to be that big. Done, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it perfect? Now I'm going to go over it with the sparkly layer. Now I'm going to use a marker to write Happy Mother's Day. I'm also going to draw the stems. I'll use this. It's like draw them. And now that I'm done, I take a frame and place it in there, flip it in. I take another one, carefully place it on top. Ta-da! Finished piece. And now if something gets on it, it won't ruin your picture or the back. Now we have to put something to hang it. We are going to hot glue the gold string down. The finishing touch. Perfect Mother's Day gift. Enjoy your craft. I hope your mothers like it too, or dads, or anyone you love. Bye, gardeners. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share. Bye. your grown-ups to paint your face before you start doing it. Let's get started. Now this will be my blush. So I'm blushing a lot. It's time to get the other cheek. Now blush is going to go on your chin. This is painting. So I do what I want. Now that I'm done with this, my second layer will be this. Now I have freckles. Now I'm gonna circle my eyes. I didn't know what I was looking like. I didn't know what to do. But now that I found myself, I found you.